Welcome to Hedge Sachs presents Connect 2.1. Now, Connect 2.1 isn't just an event. It's a platform where visionaries, decision makers, change makers, and financial experts from across financial landscape come under one roof. Now, without further ado, please put your hands together and welcome the Vice President, Global Operations, Mr. Karun Luthra, to officially kickstart this event.
Good morning, everyone. Okay, that's sweet. All right, I'm Karun Luthra, the Vice President, Global Operations with Hedge Sachs. I welcome everyone on this fine morning, and this fine weekend. Thank you so much for taking out time and being with us. You might look at our name, Hedge Sachs, and think, wow, that sounds intimidatingly serious. Our belief has always been simple, disciplined, risk-conscious investing can outperform. At Hedge Sachs, success is not a solo act. It's an ensemble performance powered by shared goals, mutual respect, and relentless spirit of progress.
My name is Shubham Munda, and I'm the managing partner at Hedge Sachs. And 5 years ago, when we started Hedge Sachs, we had a simple belief that finance should always begin with integrity. Not with the product, not with the transition, but with the trust. And guys, we have this event scheduled for one of the biggest announcements that we'll be doing today. And that is, I'm very proud to share that this trust has reached a new milestone. HNS is now fully licensed and regulated by the UAE Securities and Commodities Authority, the SCA. And believe me guys, while announcing this, I still get the goosebumps. And now, to take you through how this trust is translating into growth, I'd like to invite my dear colleague Akshay Nagdev.
Good morning. Great. So when we hear the word trust, 5 years, that's how long it's been since the idea of Hedge Sachs took shape. 5 years of building brick by brick, relationships by relationship. But what began as a simple belief that trust and integrity could redefine how wealth is managed and has now evolved into an ecosystem serving not less than 4,000 clients across regions. But it is powered by people. We have grown 300% since the inception. We manage $126 million and our retention rate of not less than 94%. A number that means more to us than any other chart or graph could ever be.
Good morning, everyone. It's an absolute pleasure to be standing here in front of the beautiful audience, and the day which actually marks the beginning of the new era. And in 2025, in collaboration with Zenith, we turned our vision into reality with Armas, a name that embodies proportion, precision, and purpose. This, our own venture, which is nestled into Dubai South, everybody knows is the most promising location, the growth corridor. And it's not just an address, it's a statement from our end. This is not just an investment. It's participation, it's partnership, it's empowerment. Welcome to the future where every investor can share in the creation of value, brick by brick, and vision by vision. Welcome to the world of Armas. We at Hedge Sachs, we don't just build portfolios, we build possibilities. Thank you so much, guys.
Incredible milestones, and us as people couldn't have come to a better place right now because Hedge Sachs is where it's truly at, making every investor's dream come true. And now let's dive right into our next segment this afternoon. We're truly honored to hear from our knowledge partner. They have been instrumental in amplifying our thoughts and, of course, offering industry insights and analytics in the ever-evolving world of finance. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and welcome our knowledge partner, Valura.ai.
Valura.ai is built to unify your complete investment journey together all in one place.
We have brought it all together at a single place in our super app, which is Valura.ai. We will present you the different offerings that Valura.ai offers.
So we do this with our 6 core offerings. I'll take you through them one by one. So first, we have our Valura Command Center. So what do I mean by this Command Center? Everybody has different broking accounts, different banking accounts, different assets, and different liabilities. So what we do at Valura Command Center is we aggregate everything in one single dashboard. So here in our Valura Command Center, we are connected with over 60 plus brokers and 20 plus banks. So irrespective of where you have your broking account with just a tap of a button, you will be able to connect your Binance account, Interactive Broker accounts, Alpaca accounts.
Yes. So let's move on to our next tool, which is Valura Compass. Now, you guys have different financial goals, like getting an early retirement, or saving for your child's education, or saving for an international vacation. What Valura Compass does is, it's completely tech-enabled, and it breaks down your goals into small and actionable steps which you need to complete in order to achieve your goals. Now, so this is Valura Compass, and where you can see what are your assets, your liabilities, your net worth, and it also breaks down according to your family, what are the goals, and it's completely digital, so it keeps changing day by day as the market is moving up or down, or your goals is changing. So it stays with you throughout your life.
And now we dive into our next segment of this afternoon. Truly honored and privileged to hear from one such individual whose vision and leadership have truly been instrumental in building Hedge Sachs. He truly embodies the spirit of Connect 2.1. Please put your hands together and welcome the founder and chairman of Hedge Sachs, Mr. Shivansh Rachit.
Very good afternoon, everyone. And really thank you for making us coming here today. And this is a great day for us because after SCA coming into the picture, we really wanted to give you a highlight about a lot of things that what company has been doing last 4 years, what we have been cooking up for the investors, because this entire ecosystem of Hedge Sachs is not just possible by one corporate account or just one entity. We have been working day and night to work on structures, financial structures, on the tech side so that we can actually improvise our client service part, on the real estate side, on the asset side basically, so that we can actually give you a brief idea about the entire association of Hedge Sachs, how the entire thing has been working for us from last 4 years, and what we are trying to bring up onto your table. So there are multiple things we are doing. In a nutshell, I would say that this was just a brief highlight of what we have been doing in the last 4-5 years. And the moment we have got the license to consult you on the right investments, so that there's now we are going to unfold few of the more investment options. Right? And I would like to call Mr. Hassan on floor, just to give a little bit of highlight about our relationship and how we have been doing together so far and what our future plans is.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. Thanks from Mr. Shivansh and Hedge Sachs to having us here. I'm the CEO of the Zenith Groups, a group of the companies in full comprehensive property developments almost for 2 decades, 20 years. We have done a lot of projects from the design, construction, and developments. And recently, almost 1 year, we are with such a nice gentleman in collaboration for partnership in 2 projects in Dubai South under the name of Armas. I'm very pleased to see you in here, actually. Thank you.
So Mr. Hassan has been always very kind to us, and he has not given any pressure that start doing sales, and he always have been a very investor pro kind of a person. He always want to give maximum benefit to our investors. So all our structures, whatever we have been doing with Mr. Hassan, has been, the way we have structured is very interesting if you really want to have a knowledge that how the whole project is coming up and how the profits are being made, how the top lines are being adjusted, how the bottom lines are there. So once you'll see that how the entire project is being structured, so I feel that you'll definitely have the confidence that, okay, how the real developers are making money over here. Because we are trying to open up, I would say, the equation wherein the biggest developers, I mean, who have the heritage of being into Dubai from last 5, 7 years, 10 years, 20 years, and they understand the business and now they are growing. So what we are trying to simplify over here is the secret just not should be limited to be kept there. That has to become to an investor who has $1 million or $2 million. He wants to really get that profit from a development perspective. So that is something we have been working from last time, I would say 1 year. And many of the investors have already started looking upon these opportunities as well. And thank you very much for giving us a chance to venture into this. There have been a very well support from the investor point of view, from the team. So we are very optimistic that what we are going to do in the development segment as an asset class to the fund. Thank you so much for everyone joining us today. And we are always open to talk. We are here till 6, 7 p.m. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Shivansh, and thank you, Mr. Hassan. And of course, a huge, huge thank you to each and every one of you for making it here, and of course, for making this event a very successful one. Can we once again hear it from you guys? I know I make you clap a lot, but it's been a wonderful afternoon.